Wow, you guys look cold. I'm gonna go out for my walk now. What more could you ask for? A pirate ship? Parrots at the dock. Beautiful day at the marina. Calm. The sun went behind the clouds. I'm checking out these parrots down at the pool. They're just hanging out. You gotta be kidding me. Look at these parrots. Parrots in the rose bushes, down there by the gnome, hanging out in the flowers. You know, I guess parrots wouldn't be too bad to have on the boat. More parrots. This is kind of crazy. Check this out. We have 2, 3, 4, and 5. Oh no, they're following me. What do I do? Maybe they just need a ride to Florida. No idea. I'm gonna keep walking and see what will happen. Hey guys, you can't follow me. You need to go back. You need to go back to your pirate ship. Go back to your pirate. What do you mean you're heading south? We're heading south. We're going to Florida. You want to follow us? You're heading to Margaritaville? Be there by Christmas. Whoa, hold on. Hey guys, what are you doing? I told you we were going to Florida, but I didn't think you were going to join us. You're going to have to request permission to come on board in just a second. Hey Jim, you know, you said I couldn't have a dog or a cat, but these guys followed me home. They're requesting permission to come aboard.
Permission granted.
All right, guys, let's come in and get settled.